Yo, how we doing? How we doing? Thursday. Almost there, almost there. Hope everyone's doing good. Big dump, didn't we? Big dump off that PPI news. It wasn't great news, was it? Wasn't the best of news. Just refresh. Yeah, come in at what, 0.9? 0.9%. Unemployment has basically stayed the same as forecasted. Yes, PPI is a lot higher. Highest we've had since 2022. Looking at the graph, which is a bit yeah, a bit concerning. And I was looking at the rate cut probabilities. I've refreshed it. Yeah, before that news dropped, I think it was 94% chance of a just 1 basis point, one drop, and then 5.7% chance of them dropping it at 0.5, and yeah, 0% chance of no change. But now we've got 5% chance of no change, 5.5% chance of no change. So yeah, it's definitely changed things up a little bit, as you can see from the price as well. Yeah, it could be an interesting day. Could be an interesting day. I'm going short bias today. I'm going short bias. In one hand, we're at good prices. There'll be lots of people potentially buying the dip. On the other hand, I'm feeling like we've had a big dump. We're below previous day value area low. We've got lots of room to the downside to go and explore, so I feel like that's what we're going to get. Be a big day, man, big day. Could be a bit of a bloodbath. A nice win on the funded accounts in the London session. Just a little short off the previous day value area high, which was nice. Yeah, 150-ish up on the fundeds. Not sure, to be honest, what sort of trade I'm looking for today on the funders. Potentially a short from previous day point of control if we come back up that high. I think we'll probably get an initial push up at least, and then maybe a sell-off. If we do push to the downside, I've got a level quite a way down. Current weak point of control. If we get there. But today I'm trading one of my subscribers' custom indicators, which I've been trying out for the last few days, and I quite like it. So I thought I'd bring it onto the stream. Yeah, it's basically a nice little indicator to try and catch the trend. Caught a decent short yesterday using it. So yes, it's mainly what I'll be focusing on. I'll be executing on Tradeify because I just prefer Tradeify, but yeah, the indicator's on TradingView. So how you doing, mate? Good to see you. Alright, what have we got? 45 seconds. Just retesting that value very low. Right, let's flip over to TradingView. I'm all set up on here, aren't I? Quick wet of the whistle. Right, we're off. We are open. Yeah, this indicator's pretty cool. It's can trade literally from fucking open pretty much if we're there. There's a setup. But you'll only get a signal within these two yellow lines. And so far, the last few days, you get a couple of signals, a couple of losses, small losses, then you catch a decent move off of it. On Nasdaq, we have been chopping around after that sell-off, chopping around at the previous all-time high that we broke through. So there's always a possibility that we just sort of retest this all-time high, but then shoot off maybe. You never know, dear. You never know. Solly. Long on NQ, yeah? Yeah, I think if you've I think it's a good area to be long from if you're long bias. Previous all-time high, we've had the nice little break and retest of this all-time high, shoot off. It's just that PPI news is the only thing that I'm sort of concerned about. If we didn't have that news and we just moseying on down here, I'd be like, yeah, long all the way. But that PPI news coming high, 0.9%. That's the only short play. I won't be surprised if we keep going low yet. Definitely possible, man. I mean, news quite often gets retraced on it, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a push up to at least point of control, previous day point of control. A quick glance at ES. ES rejecting that previous day value low. Yeah, I think if we clear this level, get back above it, we can yeah, definitely push up to the point of control. Be the current day point of control up here as well. Always hope we're getting a signal on this. Wait for candle close though. You're out, nice, solid, nice little win there, man. Father, none of the funders happy days. Nice, Solly, man, nice. No way. What fucking does that to me, man? 2 sets. I'm just gonna have to move this over so I can put my password in. Sure, always logs me out at the worst time. Okay, back in the room, back in the room. I'm having a pretty good time on the funders at the minute, believe it or not. Yeah, I think on the funders, I am on a 4-trade win streak, I think. Having a great week, 400 up, 442 up this week, overall 3 on the fundeds. What's a buy signal? It's a strategy that one of my subscribers has made, like an indicator. And yeah, I'm having trialing it out, and yeah, I'm having a good time with it, to be honest. I'm enjoying it. Basically tells you when to buy and sell. And yeah, it works best for trending days. First day I tried it, we had a really horrendous choppy day and I got fucking absolutely munched up. But yeah, I've been doing it the last few days, and it's tends to be you get a couple of entry signals, a couple of losses, and then you basically catch a move of the session, which is quite cool. So you got to sort of withstand the couple of losses sort of early on, and then but then you're in a good position for the big move. I've currently got my take profit sitting at this news candle high, just because I'm not certain yet on what kind of day it's going to be. And yeah, sort of, I think the hardest thing about this indicator is knowing when to take profit. You don't want to push it too far. Obviously, it just depends on what kind of day you're going to have in it. But I've got the take profit the earliest one. To be honest, I feel like we could get a rejection from the 927 level. Obviously, if we do, then I'll take a small loss on this one, but. Yeah, the idea is I think it runs from 9:30 New York Open to 11 AM, and you basically take pretty much every signal that you get, and you're gonna have some losses. But yeah, the idea is the win or two that you get will be way outweigh the losses. And yeah, they've been absolutely smashing it last few months. Like I think sort of June, July up sort of 300 to 500 points on the Nasdaq over the month, which is pretty cool. This is on a 150k account, by the way, which is why I'm on the minis. Oh, we're back above the value low on the ES. Good sign, we're looking relatively strong. A bit of move to go yet. Two minutes until the 15-minute closes. Ideally, we close above that level. We're sorting out baby's bed this morning, getting that all set up and in place. We're pretty much ready to go now. Coming a bit more real. How did that 15-minute close? 50 seconds. Yeah, I think we've only got 6.5 weeks. I think it'll be 6 weeks on Monday, I think, until little one's due. Alright, nice close on that 15-minute candle. What news are we looking at today? We got anything else? Oh, we've got Trump speaking later, haven't we? Or FOMC member speaking at 10 AM. Yeah, nothing really though until Mr. Trump. Yeah, still pushing up towards that point of control. NQ's at that point of control. This is the area where I think we could see resistance. You taking a break from stream when the baby arrives? Yeah, definitely, mate. Not really sure how long. I'm gonna sort of just play it by ear. I'm expecting 2 weeks probably. I would have thought at least. Like trading, like especially like the volume profile stuff, I can sort of do as and when. So I don't know when I'll actually start trading, but yeah, I don't think I'll be streaming for a couple of weeks at least, because obviously it's like 2 hours of time that I'm not available then to be there for her. If she ends up having like a cesarean or something like that, she's going to need me even more, do you know what I mean? So we'll play it by ear, but yeah, I'm expecting sort of 2 weeks. I'm hoping that Nasdaq is sort of at my take profit before ES hits the previous day point of control, because I feel like we're definitely going to get a bit of a reaction from that, I would suspect. I would short it, but I'd like to wait half hour on the volume profile stuff. Or should I end this poll? I'll hold 2 votes on there. We're looking quite strong. I think I'm going to probably take profit on this Nasdaq trade once ES hits this level, to be honest. Yeah, but what's going on here? Trying out a subscribers indicator. Do you? I don't know if you would know him. Hugh. He's around sometimes. He's made a little custom indicator, basically to catch trend days. Yeah, they've had good results from it, man. I'm trying it out. Not the best of starts because I started this week and it's been terrible this week. Quite choppy. Here I am, always lurking. Leo, how you doing, mate? What's this new strategy? It's an indicator that Hugh's made. And yeah, it works quite nicely to catch good trending days. Right, I'm gonna start scaling up aggressively on this because I'm enjoying this profit that we're in. And yeah, ES I think could reject this level, so nice and aggressive now. Take this profit. Look at this, boys. What's going on? What's it frozen for? Right, let's activate Tradeify. That's why we have Tradeify up in the background, lads, because fucking TradeIfy is scatty sometimes. I'm out. 875 up on that, man. Nice. Yes, just tap that level. So yeah, if we weren't only 20 minutes in, I'd be looking to short from here, so I wanted to close that earlier than a little bit earlier. Cracking day, man, cracking day. Couldn't miss you trading it. Tried it. What's it called? What is it? Is this actual official name? The group, there's a little group that goes along with it. Simple Pips Trading. I don't know if that's the same name for the indicator. I assume it is. Simple Pips Trading. Always take profit, Sam. Cheers, mate. Waiting for the news candle high. Simple edge. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think we could get there, but yeah, it's just this this level on ES is an area that I'd be sort of looking to short from. And you never know on these news days, do you? And yeah, to be honest, the week that I started on, I'm grateful to be taking all the profit I can. I was saying at the start, I think the hardest bit about this strategy is knowing when to take profit in it. It's the only bit it doesn't do for you, so not completely at least anyway. Look at that. Look at that. Rejecting that point of control nicely on ES. Pretty happy I took profit. Gives you the freedom to trade what you see as everyone sees charts differently yet. Plus we do put liquidity levels into the Discord so it gives people an idea of an area to watch. Yes. Yeah, they're it's a good help, I think, them liquidity levels that you post. Just retesting the previous day point of control NASDAQ. Don't be dick for a tick. Playing right out here, yeah. I think we'll hit the highs, but nicer not to sit through the loss of profit. Yeah, just for that little extra bit. That's it, mate. That's it. The way I look at it is we had some bad news, really, with the PPI. Could be a bit of a sell-off kind of day, and this is the... For me, this is where price is going to revert back to before the sell-off, if we get the sell-off. Yeah, really happy with that. This is heavy, man. Yeah, no, I do like this indicator. It's just, yeah, nice to take all the thoughts away from it, really. All the thoughts away from it. Just enter now, okay. I'll do as I'm told, and if it prints money, happy days. Oh, this is dropping slowly, this chance of the rate cut. What was it earlier? 94, 95% when the stream started. Now it's 92. 7.5% chance stays the same. I did set up a little bot on this chat earlier, but it doesn't seem to be working. Which is sounds about right. You know, like the little night bot that people have. I haven't seen any anyway. Unless I don't see it, but I'm assuming I would see it. You can't see the bot. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. It's supposed to be every sort of like 15, 20 minutes or so, like post a Discord link and shit like that, but... Oh, it's working. Oh, they're all coming through now. Fucking shitty bot, man. Yeah, one's supposed to be like every like 15 minutes, one's supposed to be like every like 20, 25 minutes. There you go. And then the other's supposed to be like every sort of 30. I was trying to spread them out a little bit. I feel spammed, sorry guys. It might be because I only literally set up maybe about an hour ago. It's obviously just lagging a little bit maybe. I'm just gonna say I want to grow a smaller account with more day trade style nice ward. Yeah, I mean the link's there, man. If you want to have a look. But yeah, it's only literally only between the hours of 2:30 our time and 4 PM our time. So yeah, 9:30 New York open to 11 PM, 11 AM New York time, which is quite nice because you've got a set time where you sort of sit there and watch it, and then after that you can just sort of leave it to run a little bit. I'm definitely not done with volume profile though, Ward. Don't worry, I'm not just strategy hopping. The volume profile stuff is great for sort of know the alerts in it. You can sort of have alerts set when it's hitting your level, and do you know what I mean, London trades and stuff like that. And I've learnt my lesson from last year, not to put all my eggs in one basket. So yeah, I want a few strategies really that I can have working for me. By the way, you mix the two together for your profit targets. Yeah. But so, I mean, even if we push past this level, which we could quite well do, I was expecting at least a sort of a 5-point move off of it on the on ES. And there's always a risk that this is I mean, we've pushed up, broken down below, come up, retest this level, and then sell off, sort of thing. That's what I had in mind. That could be a possibility, so I wanted to avoid that. And yeah, I feel like you can just get vibes sometimes for what kind of day it's going to be, and I'm not sure if it's going to be a big trending day. Took a nice retest trade of previous week value area high. Previous week value area high. Oh man, the weeks flipped up. I'm sure the week's value area is down here when I was setting up this morning. Not sure if Sam can bring them on screen. 5 June, July, August, that's in Discord, but 2 seconds, mate. I'll see if I can find them. Oh, okay. We see all that alright, boys and girls? Yeah, it's done in points. It's quite cool because then it's sort of universal for everyone. Yeah, 558 points in June. And 300 points in July. Then last week of August. Did it feels bad during London or blue? 4 Thunder take profits. Oh, Taco. 2 with a threshold. Buffer 2 halfway, bud. Poor execution on winning trade, then crashed out. Oh, unlucky, man. During the London, man. It's unlike you, innit? Trade in London. You don't normally trade London, do you? Is it because you've left one of your jobs now? Volume profile is essential to whatever strat you use. Yeah, man, 100%. Nice. Cheers, Heath, mate. How have you been, man? I haven't seen you in a little while. Hope you're doing good. Hope your trading's going well, man. Oh, I've got that many volume profiles going. The only trouble with having too many, mate. I get too confused. I have to keep it minimal. I can't have, like, if it's not the previous day or the previous week or the current week, I can't really have it on there. Ward, 1 week I have got up though. Oh, we're just approaching this zoning. I have to keep an eye on that. Might be able to get a second trade in. Probably better looking at it on the hourly. If we get back down here, Ward, I like 6265 on ES. 6265. Strong buyers coming there, man. If we come back down there, that'd be a lovely area to get into. I kept that one, but I don't normally keep any others. Trouble is now though, if we get another signal to go short or something, it's gonna go like against every fibre of my being to take it, because decent win. I'm normally pretty happy with that. I'm normally leave it, but I also want to take every signal that I get in case I miss out. Oh, Trump's on the mic. Fox News radio interview, mate. You can't fucking just leave it alone, can he? Doing good, just grinding. Nice, Heath. Nice, man. What it's about, innit? Just grinding through, slow and steady. I'm leaving, so I was trading at night. Well, I still work there, but only gold and it was doing me well. This was done last night. Ah, mate, unlucky. Must be all 4 top steps to funders, but got lucky. Yeah, unlucky tackle, mate. Dust yourself back off, man. Get up. Go again. Keep going, man. You'll get there. You'll get there. Silver lining is, I think you were doing really well, weren't you, for sort of what, a good couple of weeks, which is probably, I mean, from my memory, the longest that I've seen you in a little while. Anyway, the longest I've sort of seen you hold the funded and trade it well. So yeah, just keep going with what you were doing, man. What level I got? That one marked. Started this week making out hard time frame nodes. That's what's done me over. Yeah. Oh, wait, you keep getting caught out on them. Yeah, yeah. The only trouble I find with like the hard time frame ones, the sort of the further away, the area they might respond to the area, but the area that they will respond to is like bigger, which then means that your sort of short fixed stop loss is a bit more hit and miss. I think if you I mean, you're obviously a lot better at this than I am, but if you're able to sort of dig in on the 1 minute and sort of really hone in your entry with timing the sales and stuff like that, you could yeah, really utilize them. But for me, just doing the fixed limit order or whatever and the fixed risk, I tend to fall down on the bigger levels. Well, we're back within these lines here, so I'm just preparing in case we get another signal to go short or something. Oh, I fucking love tea, man. Mate, you can't change profiles halfway through. That threw me right off. It's gone from Ward with a blue icon to Leo Ward to a purple icon. Don't freak me out like that, man. The monthly, weekly, and daily, and correlate them all together to get some AA. Okay, setups are sweet, but I'll be honest, it's confused the fuck out of me. What? Because there's so many lines on your chart. Yes, it's struggling at this level, isn't it? Yeah, if it was sort of 10 minutes later, I'd have been looking at taking this, but it was what, 10 to, so only 20 minutes into the session. I'd like to try and leave it half hour. If I can. But yeah, I don't know if I'll take anything on the funders now, to be honest. Plus you've got a bias calculation in it to only give you signals in that direction once calculated it. Again, the trend is your friend, trying to keep lots of small. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's cool, man. Hugh, something that would be cool, I don't know if it would be possible or if you even want to make it possible. Like my scenario here, right, I've taken a long position and I've taken profit at a level that I thought was a good level to take profit. We've come back down. Obviously this might not have been a signal anyway. But obviously because it's already in a long position, it won't then give me a long entry, even if is a setup for one. Even if it sort of normally would, but because it's already in one. It does. It'd be cool if there was a way that it could know that I've already taken a long... That's probably asking too much. A way that it could know that I've already taken a long position and then will give me another long entry signal. Do you know what I mean? If it still thinks it's valid. That'd be cool. If you could make that happen, please, mate. Probably a bit unrealistic for it to know what I've done, but... on my iPad, then I realised I had a computer. 125 in the personal account. Nice, Mr. D, man. Nice, man. You've been having a good few couple of days, haven't you? Half a decent amount in your personal every day, I think, this week that I've seen you. Ward, I should I'll probably be pretty much live streaming this now every day until I either blow or pass this challenge, so I should be a good judge of how it's going. Understand what you mean. I'll see if I can put a manual trade exit into it, so like you said, it knows when you're out the trade. I mean, obviously if you don't want to, don't bother, but I just feel like, yeah, there's some scenarios. I mean, this might not have even been an entry signal, but I feel like there's times where it could happen where you're up for taking a second trade, but because it thinks you're already in one, it sort of won't give you that signal. But obviously, that might not be an issue for everyone else, so do obviously what you think's best, mate. Keep it simple if you want to keep it simple. Wasn't an entry anyway. Yeah, no, I didn't think it would be, but when I come on live, I need more consistency. Yeah, man. I mean, keep going with it, man. You don't have to be profitable, and I mean, unless you obviously want to be more consistent first. But I've got a form if you want to fill it out, if you are interested in coming on live one day. Let me find the form. I don't know where it is now. I've been getting the people to fill it out if they're interested in coming on the stream. Google Forms. Oh, we've got 4 responses now. Didn't know. I thought there was only 2. Respond to link. Okay. Again, for anyone else as well, at some point when I've got my shit together, I'll be having people on the stream. If you're a profitable trader, or if you're not, if you're a practice trader, a sim trader, if you've got funded accounts, doesn't matter, whatever situation you're in. If you want to come on the stream and hang out for a little bit, there's a link there to fill out, and when I eventually get round to it, I'll start inviting people on. Which counts this one, bud? Someone has ages ago. No, that is, I've got 2 on the go now. I'll show it. This is a new 150k. This was the one that I've had for ages. Back to break even on it. It was rebilling soon, this one. So the last 2 trades, I think I've been risking 500 just to either YOLO it or get it back up there, kind of thing. But I'm keeping this strategy on one account only. I don't want to be mixing them up. Oh, but Ward, you'll be proud. Look at my Express funded account balance. 900s now. 900 on each. It's been a while since I've seen 900 on them. They're slowly dragging them back up. Whenever you've hit stop loss. Whenever you've manually told you to get, okay, yeah. They probably won't wait unless you tell it to. Like that. Okay, yeah. But yeah, see if you can make it happen to you. That'd be cool, man. No dramas if not. I'm happy with it as it is, but. This week value area high was current week, but I hadn't pulled it all the way, so it was this morning. Okay, right, I get you. I want to take that short off the open, but oh shit, no. The 50s will build them, yeah. Then 75s, yeah, that's it, mate. Slowly build the risk back up. And eventually, might get it to 200 and start being able to take payouts again. That's a way off yet. Bit range bound at the minute, aren't we? A nice rejection of the current day point of control. NQ is still looking alright, to be fair, isn't it? If we can get above this high, I think we should be sweet. Had a nice other week on my top account, being a rough one. Ah, bored, man. What's happened? I've had the best week I've ever had. I've had it in a fucking while, anyway. But I think I've literally only been taking one trade a day. That's sort of one that I really sort of like the look of. I think you take a lot more trades than I do, don't you? Yeah, not a bad day then today, really. Up 875 on the 150k account using Hughes indicator. Up 480 on my 50k account doing the short in previous day value high on ES, and took the same trade on the funded as well. It's 150 up on the funded. I'll give it a half hour still, see if we're doing anything else, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how the day's gone. Best day I've had in a fucking while. Because of the strat, just had a lot going on. Heaven's like, oh, okay, I'll get you. This week for the journal, let me tell you. Yeah, fingers crossed you get on alright with that journal, man. I actually like to write my trades. It doesn't take long either. It doesn't take long. And it's getting no worries, Ward, man. But I'm just tempted if I should give you a teaser of the next one to come that I will eventually finish. What ones are on this one? So I've got so many Google accounts, it's always the fucking last account that I go to before I find what I want. So yeah, this is the work in progress one. Obviously these are just dummy trades. But yeah, it's now dynamic, so I can flick through and it will change, which I'm fucking loving. And obviously you got the years as well, so you can fucking, I've done it all the way up to 2069, nice, and all the way back to 2010 if you wanted to like import trades and stuff. And then I'm making changes to this bit as well. It's probably a bit tight to see all of it. So yeah, this is the, rather than having every single month listed, change it from quarter 1 to quarter 2. And again, it will then change and update. So yeah, it should be a lot better. A lot more graphs and stuff, hopefully. A lot more visually appeasing stuff. Just takes me ages to do anything because I'm not that good on Excel. So anything that's remotely difficult, I have to fucking spend ages researching how to do it. Spending ages fucking around with, there we go, just taking that news candle high. Yeah, spend ages fucking around trying to figure out the formulas and stuff like that. It takes me fucking ages. Sloth, how you doing, mate? How you doing? It's nice to have you back again, man. Good to see you. I just enjoy saying sloth. Must make it look sweet, to be fair. Let me grab this one demon first. I'm shit Excel, yeah, I'm not amazing. But I love it, I love the data. I love the data and I love fucking showing every sort of possible data thing you can. That's where you improve in it. That's where you improve. Hey man, I only trade when I'm not busy with other stuff going on. When I trade, I'm distracted, it just goes bad. That's a good way to be, mate. That's a good way to be. Sensible. Never trading news again, man. Oh, Lefty, what happened? You didn't trade the PPR, did you? Oh, man. I can see that being accounts gone, is it? Hopefully it's a lucky journal. Well, my 2024 one was quite lucky because I did really well that year. My 2025, there must have been something wrong with it because I didn't do very well that year. Maybe it's lucky for you though, man. Bang, full say profit on my news candle high. Nice you, man. Fair play for holding out for that. Fair play. To be fair, I think what I prefer to do, especially when you're looking for sort of the bigger moves, is manage it on the 5 minute. As long as we're sort of holding structure on the 5 minute, you can sort of hold it with ease then, can't you? Yeah, I was pretty happy with my exit. What did I miss out on? 20 points missed out on, which is 20 points, but stress free. Two out of 4 split risk instead of copying across all. Oh, at least you've still got some then. Bit blown, yeah. No news worth seeing. Nah, mate. Trouble is that PPI can sometimes be not too bad, but I think at the minute there's a lot of what's the word? Pressure, I suppose. There's a lot riding on these rate cuts. So any remotely bad news that could impact them rate cuts, it's gonna fucking get a reaction off of. And yeah, I mean they've come back 0.9%, which is the highest it's been since like 2022. I was considering shorting from this level, but I talked myself out of it. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I've already traded from that level. We've done a lot of chopping around there. And I just feel like if we're up here, we could want to push up and take the higher day. So yeah, I'm missing this one, skipping this one. But yeah, so if I was taking it, I'd be short from here. 5 point stop. 5 point take profit. A lot of people got wrecked on trade news. Yeah, man, that was a mad one. That big fat red bar. Yeah, he's a 5 minute and a 15 minute. Yeah, nice one, man. Good way to do it, I think. If in doubt, zoom out. The 1 minute can look very scary a lot of the time. What level does everyone think we're getting to here? Keep pushing or sell off to make room. It's a hard one to call, man. I think it's a hard one to call. That's why I didn't take this trade. Could potentially break above and keep pushing up. The probabilities have dropped slightly, but they're still 92% expecting a rate cut in September, so nothing has really changed. So there's no reason why it can keep pushing up. Nasdaq's pushing up. That is, no, not going to say all-time highs, not all-time highs. A higher day for Nasdaq at now. But yeah, I couldn't call it. Definitely someone said for taking 20 points less and no stress, yeah, man. I've got to go work out. Take care, guys. A nice one again, Sam. Work out? Bloody hell, he's a better man. Are you still on the rice cakes ward? Fair play though, mate. Fair play. I need to be doing it, but I can't be asked. In a minute, when I got this little one on the way, is fucking no chance it's going to be happening, so. But yeah, take care, ward, mate. Cheers for stopping by, and I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Don't trade news if you're going for a blow or bust situation. Leo, I thought you were going to say then, only trade news if you know what way it's going to go. That down bar seduced me short. Oh, okay. I'm on the Huel. My arsehole was vicious. What the fuck is Huel? Let me Google that quick, man. Huel. Nutritionally complete food, the ideal amount of protein, fats, carbs, fiber, and all 26 essential vitamins. And oh, no, man, that sounds oh, it's one of these post through your door kind of jobs. Mate, Idris Elba is on it. It must be good stuff. Keep going more and you look like Idris Elba. Cold, man. Yo, geezers. How you doing, Nath? How you doing, man? Hope the day's been green. Oh, I've just seen Idris Elba on that Huel stuff. It's got underneath his name actor and Huel investor. That's why he's on it. Do, 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 do. And Q's still looking pretty strong. So yeah, I feel pretty good about skipping this. To be fair, I was still respecting on the 15. I always find the after news days quite difficult to trade when you've got that big red bar. It'd be a bit difficult to trade it. It's normally taking out your levels. Quite often retrace it, but sometimes we don't. Yeah, it's always a tough one, I think. There we go. That would have been stop loss hit. Glad I skipped that one. Glad I skipped that one. Didn't get good vibes about it. Wasn't feeling it. Looks like we're going for the break and retest a bit instead. So that's the news candle taken on ES as well now. So now I'm getting the fear of missing out. It'd be up 90 points now if I was still holding this trade. No, I'm happy. How many points did I get in the end? It was from here. About there. 45 points. That's alright. I'm happy with that. Right, I think I'm going to call it a day there. There's no chance I don't think we're coming back to be getting another entry on this strategy. So I think I've got the one and done, which was nice. So what are we up then? We're up 875 on the 150k account using this indicator. Up 480 on the 50k and 150 on the funded, shorting during the London. So green all round, really. Ideal day, ideal day. I suppose so. Cheers to you, mate, and yeah, cheers for the working fucking indicator. If it keeps going like this, mate, I'll be fucking over the moon. I'll be over the moon. Yeah, buzzing. But yeah, cracking day though, mate. Cracking day. And fair play for holding it as well. Fair play for holding it. Yes, I'll see you all. It's Friday tomorrow. Yeah, it should be around tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. Normal time. Cheers for stopping by, and yeah, have a good one. Take it easy if you're still training as well. See you later.